What's up guys, it's Hanif here and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be retouching this image and color grading this image from start to finish from scratch. I've done a video like this, that's like in the first video I uploaded, and you can go check that one out. I color graded a dark skin model in Lightroom. So in this video I'm going to be moving from Lightroom. I'm going to be combining Lightroom and Photoshop using both apps to color grade this image. So let's get into the video. What's up guys, it's Hanif here, and before we continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Click the subscribe button down there and turn on my notifications if you love the content I'm giving out to you guys. And also remember to like this video. So yeah, first thing we're going to do is images crop it. I'm not really comfortable with the dimensions and all there. I'm going to just crop this image. Okay, I think it's fine now. So next thing I'm going to do is adjust my exposure, my shadows, my blacks. I'm really going to want to bring this down. That contrast there. I think my highlight is fine as it is. Then add the contrast. Like it's just so quick, but like I've already done very obvious adjustment here. Okay, now I think I might just adjust my white balance a bit. In future videos I'm going to be color grading a male portrait, so subscribe to my channel now, watch out for that. I'm going to be showing you guys how to retouch and color grade male portraits since I've gotten some requests for that. So in the meantime, yes, I have to color grade this. Bit of clarity. I think I would like to saturate it a bit. I don't know, let's say a bit like 7 or 5. I don't know, man. Let's skip that. 7. Yeah. Contrast again, adjust my contrast a bit. I think it's fine as it is. Moving on to our tone curve. Going to add 3 points here, and then going to lift my shadows. I think I need fade here. I think in the other image, like the last time I retouched this image, I don't think I really did this much on the image. I don't know, because it was a while ago, so I think I just rushed that one up. So I feel this time I'm going to be taking time with this. I don't know, maybe in future I'll be like retouching my older image, because this is like a shoot from earlier this year, I guess. So a little bit of fade here, or I think that's the word. And then should I really touch my greens? I'm not going to touch my greens here. My reds, I don't think. I'm just going to go to my blue channel. Bring this. Let's bring this down. Yeah, I can see what is done there. Let's bring this down, and I think let me try adding a bit of just adjust this a bit more to be stable. Okay, now let me try to add a little bit of green in there. I think I love the vintage look I'm giving it right now. It's a bit of kind of like a vintage vibe or something. So I think that's that for that. So let's see so far, before, after. I think it's actually fine as it is, before, after, but we're gonna do more. So moving on. So HSL, and I'm going to desaturate this green, bring this green down. Yeah, adjust my greens, the hue of my green, and I brought it up a bit, and I don't know. I think I'll just leave it saturated. Yeah, and the richer that color. My blue, I feel like the blue is just popping too much. So I want the blue to be there, but at the same time I don't want it to be there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So and whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm just going to bring it a bit so it matches the background a bit, and then moving on to split toning. I don't. What numbers do I usually use? I think like 37, I guess. So it's like 4. I don't know. That's like what I usually keep my shadows at, because like kind of like matches the skin. So I don't really want the shadow to look weird. Or if you're looking for a like more dramatic look, you can try out other numbers, other figures. But so yeah, this just like most times when I'm trying to color grade an image, I just click through here, find a combination that works well for me. The little secret is I mostly use shades of blue for the highlights. Yeah, shades of blue, like it makes it look just calms it down a bit. Yeah, this is I don't know, it doesn't really come that much. But here, let me see what I can do with my shadows again. This is some like very experimental stuff here, but I personally wouldn't want to do too much on the shadows. Let's I leave it at that 37 and 4. Why? Because it affects the skin a lot, and I care about skin. You know. Yeah. So and then moving on. I don't want to do all of this. So I think this before and after. I feel like this needs more fade. Does it? I don't know. Let's move on. Need to play my camera calibration a bit. Let's place it a bit. Bring it forward. Just a high bit. That hasn't really done much. Just like to plate it a bit and see what I can get there. I think we're done with Lightroom. Let's move on to Photoshop for retouching. Okay, alright guys, welcome to Photoshop, where we further edit and retouch or edit this image. Yeah, do what we can. Ctrl J, then fix our skin. You know how we do it. Like normally I will just use the spot healing tool. So right now I'm just going to patch. Okay, I think at this point I'm done with patching for now. I just did that real quick for the video, but if a client hires you to do his job or his her job, you have to really take time with it. I advise you to do that. Give your best. Yeah. So you can check my separation tutorial, yeah, to know what's really going on here. Link in description, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I think we're done with the frequency separation. Next step, I'm just going to whiten our eyes. Let's whiten our eyes, and yeah, my teeth are showing a bit here, so I'm just going to, I don't know, whiten it a bit. And our eyes as well. Okay, you can see it really makes our eyes pop, so I'm just going to reduce the opacity. Yeah, and then next thing I'm going to be doing, I think this is like the final step, I guess. I'm going to be playing with the selective color. I've made this an habit now, so yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Add a bit of blacks to the reds. Like I adjust the reds when I'm doing the skin or when I'm playing with the skin. Like I've kind of like corrected the skin tone a bit. I don't know. It was looking weird before, kind of like a bit purplish. So yeah, I just adjust the reds, the selective color to correct the skin. I remove the magentas from the skin and add a bit of the yellow, then added like blacks to the skin to like make it pop. And of course, then I remove the cyan, so like not to make it look bluish. So yeah, to correct the skin, give it better tone, make it what it is. So I'm going to play my blues too. Or if this blue doesn't recognize itself as blue anymore, doesn't really. So yeah, I like this here. Yeah, and then I don't know. I'm just yeah. I think my cyans will make more effect on this or do more to this. Yeah, so that's much. This is actually cool if you think of it, but I'm not going for that. I'm just really trying to make the color. It looks cool, but I might not do that. I don't know, just maybe a bit. And I really love how I'm experimenting with this. Like, I think I like this vibe. Yeah, I like this vibe. It really gives it what I think kind of like gives me what I want. So yeah, this is how much change the selective color has done so far. And then let me go back. I don't know. I like this vibe as it is. So let me go back to my greens. Yeah, and then yeah, you gotta add that blacks to your greens, man. This is like, and that just weird, you know. I'm just playing around. This is actually a cool vibe, but I think I really love this vibe. It's everything matches now. So this is how the image was before, and this is how it is now. So I really like how much change has been done here, the whole vibe and all. So this is after moving from Lightroom. So this is after Lightroom, and this is what Photoshop has done so far. So yeah, this is like the whole retouching process from scratch. Most of I don't know if like, but the main transformation, like the main transformation was actually done in Photoshop. Yeah, so I think that's all for this video. I might whiten my eyes a bit, but I won't do that. I'll just leave it as it is. I'm fine with the image as it is. So this is before selective color, this is after selective color. Don't know much about selective color. I think I did a video for the selective color. Yeah, I didn't really talk much on it or to let it get your hang, but basically all you have to do there is mostly just play around with it, see what you can do with it, and yeah, when you just play around with it enough, you understand how it works. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.